Hello guys, it's Merlin. I'm back. So today I got something a little different. I got a video for all my future military people that's trying to join the military and about to take the Asvab. Yeah, I know what boat you're in.
Oh my God.
If you're trying to either get a better score on your Asvab or just drastically improve, then yeah, stick around and I'll help you guys out on some tips and some tricks on how I pass my Asvab. I'm just kind of, gonna guide you in the right direction, for y'all people who are really needing help bad. So whenever I first, was wanting to join, because by the way, I joined the Army National Guard. So I, met up, contacted a recruiter, met up with my recruiter, and was in the office taking my Asvab practice, the practice test. I took that first time, man, made like what was that? I made a 21. It wasn't even good, man. It was it was bad, man. So she told me to study a little bit more. So she gave me about 3 weeks to study. So from that time to the time I, came back to retake the test, I had drastically improved my score, guys. So that's basically how I'm gonna, I'm gonna tell you guys, what I did, tell you guys the steps. I'm not gonna be walking you through, the problems and stuff like that and, answers. But so I went from a 21 to a 49. For some of y'all be like, man, I can do better. For y'all, that's good. I need y'all to have that mindset. I can do better, Don't go in there and take a test like, I don't know what I'm gonna make. You need to walk in there with some confidence, smile, keep your head up, chin up, all of that. When I went in the first time, I didn't know what to expect, because I graduated high school 2016. Didn't really go to school after I graduated high school. Didn't really pursue, college and stuff like that. So, I'm walking in the recruiter's office. I'm like, man, I don't know what to expect. But for y'all that, haven't done that already, have some confidence, relax. That's the thing, relax. This is if you take the practice test. Just relax, all right? Don't go in there worried about the world and everything, just relax, take it easy, question by question, don't rush nothing. So, I went in there and I retook my test and I made a 49 on it, I improved, I really drastically improved. I'm so proud of myself because at that point I was like, man, I really want to join the military because I'm gonna tell you, I was really down at the fact that I made a 21. Like I was expecting, because the qualifications to get into the Army is 31. So I made a 21. I was 10 points down. So, I was really, down, when it happened. I was like, man, that's tough. Sorry if you guys hear some noise, by the way. It's my, guinea pig. She over here fiddling with her water. She thirsty. Yeah, man, after I took that test, I made a 21 on it, man. I was down. I really wasn't feeling it. My recruiter, she gave me some stuff to go home and study with. So, she gave me this big old packet full of sections of arithmetic, reasoning, science, English, word comprehension, and it was something else. I forgot what it was. Just math, and then it had a little bit of auto mechanic stuff in it, and all type of different, questions and all that. So the thing is, what I did was, there is a YouTube channel called Grammar Hero. All right, I'm gonna see if I can put that in here for you guys. Okay, so my guinea pig is going nuts. So Grammar Hero, this person, I don't know who it is, but this channel, basically, they walk you through steps. For me, math was the biggest thing for me. Back in school, math really wasn't my thing, and arithmetic, reasoning. So yeah, with this channel, they walk you step by step through each problem, okay? So I did this. I don't know how I came upon this. Well, actually, no. YouTube, how to pass your Asvab and tips and tricks like that. So I came upon Grammar Hero. With this channel, they help you with subjects, math, arithmetic, reasoning, English, word comprehension, and a whole bunch of other stuff that's on, the test. So I sat down and I really started, working the problems like as the video goes, step by step. You know, I paused the video. I wasn't trying to get ahead or, you know, too far behind. I was working exactly at that pace so I can understand and comprehend the way each problem is supposed to be worked and stuff like that, you know, with math. But like for me, English word comprehension, that was a breeze right there. I just knew I had to work on my math and arithmetic reasoning and maybe polish up on a little other subjects, you know, that I had, because I haven't been in school like what, 4 years. So yeah. So Grammar Hero is where you guys want to go as well. And there's an app called Elevate. Okay, y'all, for y'all that's still here, I hope y'all didn't click off. Listen to me, I'm giving y'all gems right now. There's an app called Elevate. Okay, it's a learning app, bro. Man, you use this app, you can be well polished whenever you go in there and take your real Asvab, you know, the real thing, the real deal, the real thing. You're gonna be well off when you go in there. I promise you're gonna be real confident. So download this app called Elevate. I promise this isn't a sponsorship or nothing. This is just how I passed and what helped me to pass. So it's this app called Elevate, like I said 20 million times. Elevate, they have you know, a bunch of subjects on there that you can choose from and pick from, and you just really go on it day by day. It's like a day-to-day learning thing, you know. Every day you get on there, you just learn something new. So, you know, just keep expanding your brain and helping your brain work. They show you words and all of that, and you have to pick the synonym to that word, or they help you learn how to, you know, write a sentence correctly, taking out all the improper punctuations, if that makes sense, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I did that. I borrowed a book from one of my buddies. It was Asvab for Dummies. I did all of that. I just did. In the time she gave me, the 3 weeks she gave me to come back and retest, I did all of this, y'all. I was literally at the dinner table, bro, every night, every morning. And keep in mind, I did rest a little bit, play a little video games in between, but I really wasn't on that. I was like, you know what? I really want to do this. So I, you know, set the controller and all the BS to the side. I'm like, man, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get right, because it's something I want to do. It's gonna help me, you know, for my future. It's a stepping stone for me, you know, foundation for me. So like, I'm gonna take this serious. So I got up to the dinner table, was really studying, man. Like back in high school, it really wasn't my thing, you know. Like I had some nights where I'd be like, okay, I'm feeling it, you know, I can do this. But most nights I was just slugging through it, all of that. But if it's something you really want to do, you're gonna do it. So for y'all that's out there, do not get discouraged about this. You might be in a position where you're like, man, I don't even know how I'm gonna pass. Bro, kid you not, that's how I felt, bro. Just, I'm telling you, it's your mindset too. It ain't about, you know, studying 100%, but you got to get that mindset right. Like, I'm gonna pass. Like, you cannot walk in there and be like, I don't know if I'm gonna pass, man, or I've been doubting myself about this. Nah, walk in there with a smile on your face. I'm gonna pass this test today. And I'm telling you, it's simple as that. I walked in there with a good mindset. I had good energy that day. I ate a good breakfast, protein bar, cereal, all of that. I was feeling it that day, man. I went in there and took that test, that MEPS. But yeah, just, I'm telling you, don't doubt yourself. You know, take your time when you study. Don't rush yourself. Make sure you work through the problems correctly. And if you're gonna download that app, Elevate, you know, I recommend it. Use that as well. You know, I'm telling you, you're gonna thank me. Oh yeah, on top of that, you guys can take these little practice tests as you study for the Asvab. Work your way, you're reading the Asvab for Dummies book, or you're on YouTube with Grammar Hero and you're using the Elevate app. I recommend it. As you do all of that, there's practice tests online. You just go on Google, you just type in Asvab practice test. They have, you know, different types of questions on there that'll polish you up and sharpen you up and, you know, help you out. So do that every now and then, but don't do that every day, you know, just to track your progress to see where you are. So that's basically what that's for. But that's one of the things I did as well too. Do pass, go to the comment section. Please, you know, tell me how y'all did. If this video even helped you, please, man, I would like to see how you guys improve achieving your goals, basically. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much the video. If you're new here, my name is Merle. This channel is Merle's Life. I'm kind of a new YouTuber. You know, go check my content I have out. You might like it. But yeah, go ahead and show a brother some love. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys next time.
And I'm out.